Hey everyone, so I'm going to get you a little up close and personal on this one. I'm just going to do a ring pour, but I wanted you to be able to see the pour up close. This is, I have this rigged, so if it bounces, I'm sorry. So I'm going to start with white. And I'm going to use Grumbacher Permanent Light Blue. Deco Art Peacock Pearl. Grumbacher Prussian Blue. Sorry, see I'm moving you. This is Creative Inspirations Ultramarine Blue. If I can get it open, there we go. Okay, and some phthalo turquoise. And some black. Now all these paints have silicone, so we will get some cells. Just getting everything out of the way here. I'm trying so hard not to bump the table. Okay. I have an 8x10 canvas. There we go. Now I like to use paper cups for the ring pour because you can pinch them and they don't crack. So we're just going to start right in the middle of the canvas and make tiny little circles. Of course, all the blue came out at once, but that's okay because that's going to get poured off anyway. It's mesmerizing when you sit and stare at it. Now you can move this around the canvas to get different designs, but I wanted you just to get the idea of a ring pour. And as I was filling the cup, I was putting them all on one side so that they would kind of layer together. And not mix up. Okay. So all our dark is here and all our light is here. So I'm just going to move it around just a little bit. We already have it going over the side, so it's not a big deal if we go over. And I am going to catch it a little bit. And I like to use a lot of paint. I'm not one to stretch it out so much. You lose your design if you're stretching too much and you're getting zigzags, and that might explain some of the reasons why you get the zigzags. So that is a ring pour with silicone. It's so hard for me to get in frame. So I'm going to go ahead and torch that and see what happens. My hands are really loaded with paint. So just give me a second to get the worst of it off. Okay. Now here's another thing. You can stretch this out totally to make that center bigger. But I wanted just a little definition of, gosh, that glare is right there. It's this light here. Yep. Let me see if I can shut that light off. There. So I wanted a little definition of the circle itself in the middle. Out here it doesn't really matter. But just play around with it, have fun. Subscribe while you're here if you haven't already. Click on the little bell next to the subscribe button and you'll be notified when I upload the next video. Click like and share and leave a comment. Join me on Facebook and also check out my Etsy shop. Shop with me on Amazon. You can get everything you need to do your acrylic pouring on my Amazon shop. All the links are below in the description box. If you don't have access to your description box, just shoot me a message through Facebook and I'll be more than happy to send you the link. So with that being said, I hope you enjoyed our up close and personal painting. And I have quite a few more that I'm going to film today. So stick around, check back, click on that notification button and you'll see when they're all coming up. There'll be one probably every day for the next week. So thanks for watching and I will see you on the next one. Bye now.